Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut and paste different parts of images in order to put them together to make new compositions. The first thing you always have to do is make a selection, and there are actually several different selection tools that you can use. And they're located in these three drop-down menu items in your toolbar. The first set is rectangle select and ellipse select. They're just going to make selections in either a rectangle or an ellipse. Your second select are your lasso select tools. Lasso select itself is just going to make a freeform selection of whatever shape you draw. Polygonal lasso select is going to make a selection that you want, but it's going to have all straight lines. Magnetic lasso select is going to snap to the edges of objects that you click close to. It works really well for organic shapes. The important thing to remember is always end where you begin, so it knows that you're done. And then our last group of selection tools are computer focused ones, where the computer is going to try and make the selection for you by itself. Object selection, you're going to draw this little box, make sure that plus is inside of whatever object you're wanting to select, and it's going to select it for you. Quick selection, you can just click on the object and it'll try its best to follow the outline and select it for you. And lastly, magic wand works similarly, except when you click, it's going to select all of the things that have a similar color than where you clicked. Alright, so let's go ahead and select this sky. I'm going to do object selection, and I did a pretty good job, except I just don't want these shadows. So what I can do is go in with any of my selection tools and remove it as part of the selection. So I'm going to go down a little bit. I'm going to select my lasso select and come up here and click subtract. And this way, when I'm drawing this and go around, it's going to remove that from the selection. And also, if there was something that I wanted to add, I could come up here and hit unite, and then it'll add that right back into the selection. So I would just go around it until I have exactly the selection I want, which I already did over here. And once you have the selection you want, you're going to go up to edit and hit copy. I hit copy because I'm going to bring it over here, and I want to put it on top of this photo. So I'm going to come down here and make sure I start a new layer. You want to make sure all of your different parts are on their own layer, just in case you need to go back and edit them, move them around, and stuff like that. So I'm going to hit edit, paste. And there it is. And you can also use the cut and paste tool to take out parts of an image. So let's say I wanted to come in here and take out this guy. I can hit edit, cut, and now it's no longer there. But if I still wanted it there, just wanted to move it around, I can start a new layer and hit edit, paste, come to my move tool, and then I can just move it around a little bit.